Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Empower Personal Dashboard, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Empower Personal Dashboard login page. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check your entries for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Once you have confirmed your credentials, locate the Login button and click it. After a moment, you should be redirected to your personal dashboard. If this is your first time logging in, you may be prompted to complete additional security steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. After completion, you will gain full access to your Empower Personal Dashboard. Explore the various features available for effective personal management. If you encounter issues during authentication, check your internet connection. You may also want to clear your browser's cache and cookies before trying again. For further assistance, consider visiting the support section on the Empower website. This ensures you receive the most accurate and up-to-date help regarding login problems. Now you are all set to effectively use the Empower Personal Dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.